is Dominic. Dominic owns a fit-out design and construction business and specialises in new offices and cafes. 6 months ago, Dominic was engaged by an exciting new startup to fit out their first office. The quote is $100,000 and Dominic asks for a 30% deposit. The client pays the deposit and Dominic gets to work, purchasing materials, hiring contractors and working on the fit-out himself for 6 weeks. When it's complete, the client is very happy and Dominic provides the final invoice of $70,000 with 30-day terms. After 60 days and no payment, Dominic begins to worry. He calls the client, who promises to pay him next week. But weeks turn into months and Dominic still doesn't receive any money. His client also starts to ignore his calls and emails. Confused, angry and out of pocket, Dominic contacts a debt recovery specialist at RSM. The specialist explains that the first step is to investigate the client's company and make sure they are solvent and able to pay. If they are, the specialist can act on Dominic's behalf to arrange an acceptable payment plan. If the client refuses to engage or there are too many concerns about their solvency, the specialist can help Dominic decide if he should pursue formal recovery options, such as forcing them into liquidation. Dominic would have to pay the legal fees, but if he is successful, the fees will be reimbursed before other debts are paid. Dominic asks the debt recovery specialist to act on his behalf, who confirms the company is definitely solvent and has simply been paying other debts ahead of Dominic's. The specialist negotiates with the owner, who agrees to pay the debt over a 3-month period. To make sure the payments aren't late, the specialist asks the client to make a personal guarantee. Dominic receives his payments and is relieved he didn't have to take legal action. On RSM's advice, he increases the deposit he charges new clients to 50%, starts issuing bills when certain milestones are complete, and follows up a lot faster when invoices are overdue.